The rail coaches in modern age are loaded with all amenities to provide comfort to travellers. The rail coach factory in Kapurthala, Punjab is at the forefront of the production of these railway coaches. RCF has manufactured around 28,000 passenger coaches of various types, including the self-propelled passenger vehicles, which constitute of over 50% of the total population of coaches on the railway tracks in India. Established in 1986, RCF is a coach manufacturing unit of Indian Railways. It has already carved a niche in the industrial scenario of the country at large and Indian Railways in particular. Equipped with the state-of-the-art CAD center and CNC machines to undertake design and manufacture of bogies, shells, both with stainless steel and cotton steel, RCF is adding more than 1,600 coaches to its fleet every year, which includes AC and non-AC coaches of broad gauge. To cater to the growing demands as number of commuters increase several folds every year, RCF has kept up the pace by constantly adapting to new technologies and innovations.
जब से LHB टेक्नोलॉजी आई है भारतवर्ष में, जिसकी बुनियाद यहीं पर रखी गई है, हम लोग ट्रांसफर ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी कहते हैं, तो जर्मनी से आई थी, तो टेक्नोलॉजी को अडॉप्ट हमने यहाँ पे किया है और उसके बेस पे बहुत से कोचेस बनाने चालू कर दिए.
In the recent past, RCF has been instrumental in realizing many dreams of the Indian Railways of super-fast trains, as it is them who have manufactured the coaches of Tejas Express and Humsafar trains. Not only the super-fast trains, but Indian Railways' initiative of religious tourism is also getting dedicated support of RCF, as they also designed and manufactured the coaches of the Buddhist circuit train.
आजकल रेलवे अच्छी फैसिलिटी दे रही है, नए नए कोचेस आ रहे हैं रेलवे के, इसमें LED वगैरह लगी हुई है, टीवी देखने को मिल जाता है, फेयर भी ठीक है.
In the future, RCF aims at developing coaches and trains that will have all the facilities of a flight so that people get the same experience and comfort.
पहले से जो ट्रेन का एम्बियंस है वो इम्प्रूव हुआ है, ट्रेन की तो फैसिलिटीज इम्प्रूव हुई हैं. एक तो रेलवे का जो कोच का जो एम्बियंस है वो इम्प्रूव हुआ है और लुक अच्छा है और फूड क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव हुई है.
The state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities and processes have enabled RCF to achieve excellence in design, development, manufacture, installation and after-sales service of railway coaches with a view to ensure enhanced satisfaction of the rail passengers. Apart from meeting its own needs, the railway production unit has also been exporting, earning precious foreign exchange.